What's the meaning of converge? Converge. Converge.
Converge. Converge. The word converge refers to the coming together of two or more things, ideas, or paths, and uniting into a single point or objective. It implies the merging of previously separate entities to form a common goal or unity. In mathematics, convergence occurs when a sequence of numbers approaches a limit value. In terms of social interactions, convergence may refer to the bridging of cultural gaps or the reconciliation of ideological differences. The outcome of convergence is often synergy, cooperation, and enhanced performance towards achieving a shared vision or purpose.